So good day guys, what's going on guys? My name is Gift, and in this story I'm gonna teach you how to get a free MySQL database. Maybe you want to host a PHP site or a Node.js site and you're like, oh god, I don't have a database. So in this story I'm gonna teach you how to get a free MySQL database with free storage hosted for you. So starting with this video, the website we're going to get the database is called Remote MySQL. So click enter. So the link to the site is remotemysql.com. So I'll copy it. This is it here. So let me go remotemysql.com. This is the website. So now to get started, you can go to login. Click on login to get started. Well, I am already logged in, so let me try this on an incognito window. So new incognito window and remotemysql.com. For a new user, I already have an account, so I'm going to just click login. So if you're a new user, you can click on create account. So after creating the account, you do everything and all the stuff that you are asked to do. So after that, you might be asked to verify your account. So anything you are asked to do, please do it. Do as they say. So after signing in, you will be taken to this page. This is called the dashboard page. As you can see, it is the dashboard.php. So now you go to these databases. Now after going to these databases, now you can scroll down. After going to databases, you scroll down and click on create new database, and you'll see a pop-up which will ask, are you sure you would like to create a new database? You click OK. I know you meant to do that, but click OK, and boom, a new database has been created for you, which you can connect to remotely. So in order to test this transaction, I'm going to use a tool called MySQL. It's an alternative for MySQL Workbench. I prefer it because it is more lightweight and it is easier to use. So I've already downloaded it. If you don't know it, I'll give you the link to the description of HD. Well, this is the site of the Workbench, HDSQL. So you can click on it and download the installer and you can get started. So now I already have it, so I'm just going to open the MySQL, HDSQL actually. So after downloading MySQL, now I'll be taken to this screen. This is the screen I'll be taken to. So now I'll go back to my SQL Workbench page. Remote MySQL Workbench page. And now I'll copy this username and paste it inside here. This place where they write user. Paste it here. Copy the password they've given to me. Paste it in this password field. I know the port is going to be the same because all MySQL databases have the port. Follow or use the port 3306. And fine. Let's open it. You click open to get the connection started. So now you see save modification, you click yes, and boom, we are in our database. Just easy peasy. This is how easy it is to get a free MySQL database. So thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe because this is a new channel. Well, before I end this video, I want to tell you that you can use this information to connect to any database or with any code. Now let me explain. Now if you have a PHP code, in the place you're asked to write in the place you're meant to write the user, you input this. In the place you're meant to write password, you input this. In the place you're meant to write database name, you input this. In the place you're meant to input server name in your code, you input this. So this is how easy it is to get to a MySQL database. So thanks for watching guys.